How to fix Bluestacks app player not opening. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of the Bluestack application on your device. Now as you can see on the device, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Bluestacks application and then tap on app info. Next, it will take you to a new page where you can see all the details over here. So you just have to tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. And if it's possible, you can tap on clear all data again and delete all data. And if it's not convenient, you can let it be. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on every option that is required for the app to run proficiently. And after that, you can just go back and tap on the Bluestack app and it might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.